Ahoy there cruisers, this is a full tour of a standard and accessible balcony on Norwegian Encore.
First up is a standard balcony. You can choose either twin or queen beds. The lamps beside each bed have a USB charging port too. There's storage beside each bed as well.
The large sofa converts into an extra bed and there's a wardrobe with shelves and a safe.
The main desk area includes a large interactive TV. On the TV you can book and look at things like entertainment, dining, daily schedules, weather and watch live TV. Plus there's pay-per-view movies too. There's also a live interactive map.
At the desk you'll find 3 US and 1 European plug socket, as well as a hairdryer, telephone and coffee and tea making facilities. There's plenty of storage as well as a fridge.
Under the sofa you'll find more storage. The Do Not Disturb and Make Up My Room buttons are located on the wall.
The bathroom is modern and spacious with a glass-walled shower. Amenities include shower gel, conditioning shampoo, as well as soap. And there's plenty of storage.
The balcony is large with 2 chairs and a small table.
Now onto an accessible balcony cabin. These cabins have been adapted for disabled cruisers and those in wheelchairs. The room is large with plenty of space. Like a standard balcony, there's a desk and plenty of storage space including adjustable hanging rods, and the cabin has extra wide doors for easy access.
The large wet room bathroom is wheelchair accessible and includes grab rails, a lower sink, adjustable mirrors, as well as a large adjustable seat in the shower.
The balcony is large with step-free access. We hope you enjoyed our tours of a standard and accessible balcony on Norwegian Encore. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you're notified when we upload. And check out our Patreon to support us even further. That's it till next time. Happy cruising!